Okay, so today I'm trialing the Kick Cleaner wipes. So these come from Shoe Care and they're our accessories brand of all the different shoe cleaning products. We've got leather stretchers and carers and shoe horns and all that sort of stuff. But these are specifically designed to be a really easy win for cleaning your shoes. So what we do with these is, you can see here on my white sneakers, they're only 1 day old. Yep, they're white sneakers, so they're gonna get dirty, but I've got quite a lot of marks across here and across here. And I've just grabbed a wet one, sort of a wet one wipe out of the Kicks Cleaner wipes. And I'm just going to go to town on the front here, giving them a clean up. And that's all just completely going away. There is no marks anywhere. I've got a little bit more there. Just a bit of an extra clean. They've actually all cleaned up perfectly, so I've no longer got any of the marks. So I think these will be an absolute must, especially when I'm traveling. I find at home I've got a really good shoe care kit, but when I'm traveling these will be great because I only ever take 1 or 2 pairs of shoes away. My husband will laugh because I generally have about 7 pairs in my bag, but I only have 1 or 2 that I actually wear the whole time. But that's a winner for me. So the Kicks Cleaner wipes, and you've got 20 in there, and like that is still so clean. I'd actually probably still have that in a Glad bag, and I'd reuse that a number of times. That's not a throwaway one just for that cleaning over that shoe. But if I had a few shoes to work through, I'd probably go through the full wipe because they are quite big. Yay!